Welcome to the Prompt Lab, your ultimate guide to mastering the art of AI prompts. Whether you're a business professional, a marketer, or just curious about AI, our playlist offers step by step tutorials on using ChatGPT prompts to unlock creativity and efficiency. From finding your target customers to crafting compelling marketing strategies, our videos demonstrate real life applications, tips, and tricks to get the best out of AI. Dive into our carefully curated content and transform how you approach tasks with the power of prompt engineering. Subscribe and embark on a journey to become an AI prompt. Today, we're diving into the Find Target Customers prompt, a powerful tool for businesses looking to zero in on their core audience within any given niche. This prompt is designed to help you identify the primary customers in your target market, focusing on their demographics. Let's break this down into key components to understand its full potential. The Find Target Customers prompt is a straightforward yet effective tool for pinpointing your main customer base in a specific niche. By inputting your target niche into the prompt, you can generate insights into the demographics of your primary customers, such as age, gender, income level, education, and interest. This prompt finds its application across various sectors, including but not limited to retail, technology, healthcare, and entertainment. It's especially useful for marketing teams, product developers, and entrepreneurs who are in the process of defining or refining their target market. The beauty of this prompt lies in its versatility. It can be tailored to any industry or market segment, making it an invaluable for businesses at any stage, from startups to established companies. Whether you're launching a new product or looking to expand into new markets, understanding your target demographics is crucial for creating effective marketing strategies and product offerings. Situational guidance: when to use. For new businesses, use this prompt to define your initial target market. It's a starting point for developing your customer persona. For existing businesses, utilize the prompt to reassess your market. Markets evolve, and so too does customer needs. This prompt can help you stay relevant. For our live demonstration, we'll enter our prompt into ChatGPT. For our prompt example, let's say identify the primary customers in the fashion market and their demographics. Hit enter. As you'll notice, our ChatGPT gives demographics and characteristics of various niche users and target audiences within the fashion industry. This is crucial for any product development or for any startups looking to identify who their target market is. Customize the prompt by specifying your niche as clearly as possible. The more detailed your niche description, the more accurate and useful the insights. For example, instead of just saying fashion, specify sustainable fashion for millennials. Here are some expert optimization tips. Combine the prompt output with market research data for a comprehensive view of your target customers. Regularly update your target niche in the prompt to reflect changes in market trends and customer preferences. Use the insights to tailor your marketing messages, product development, and customer engagement strategies. In conclusion, the Find Target Customers prompt is an essential tool for anyone looking to gain a deeper understanding of their market. By effectively applying this prompt, you can ensure that your products and marketing efforts resonate with your intended audience, ultimately leading to increased engagement and sales. Remember, Knowledge of your customer is not a one time achievement, but a continuous pursuit. If you found this guide helpful, please like, subscribe, and share your experiences or questions in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights on using AI to empower your business decisions.